Hello, today we're going to be reviewing the process to set up a print queue and print support app for a Ricoh copier. Before we start, there are a few items that you'll need. You need to have an internet connection, a web browser installed, the IP address of the copier, and the administrator credentials. First, open up a web browser and enter in the IP address of the copier. Navigate to Login in the top right corner and enter in those credentials. If these credentials are unknown, you'll need to reach out to the IT contact within your company or your service provider for more information. Select Device Management Configuration. Navigate down to Network Security, and we're going to verify that two settings are enabled. First, we need to verify the IPP is marked as open. Now we can set up the print queue in Settings. Go ahead and open up your Settings app. Navigate to Bluetooth and Devices, and then Printers and Scanners, and select Add Device. Select Add a new device manually. Add a printer using an IP address or host name, and then select the device type as IPP device, which should be done automatically. Enter in the IP address of the copier, and then select Next. It's now going to look for the copier on your network, so this time may vary depending on the speed of your network. And then it should say you successfully added the name of your copier. You can select Finish. After exiting this wizard, it may take a moment for the copier to be listed under Printers and Scanners. Once it is listed, it should take a moment, and then you should eventually see app is installed for this printer. That is the print support app installed. If we select the queue and then open Printer app, it should say Ricoh Print Support Application. If this option does not show up after waiting, you can open up the Microsoft Store and search for Ricoh Print Support Application and install it manually. Let's go ahead and print a test page to verify all the options are there. Upon selecting the printer, it may take a moment to connect. If we select More Settings here, we can verify that it opened up the Ricoh Print Support application, and we see all of our finishing options here. Select OK, and then we can select Print. If we navigate back over to the browser here, we navigate to Status Information, Job, and then Job History. We can then verify by selecting Printer that the job was printed successfully. This concludes our video.